This is RadioFire.com. Yours truly, Diamond K, in here. Thank you for joining me. Now, we've talked about this extensively, and Marilyn Mosby, the state's attorney here in Baltimore, the youngest state's attorney, she's a female, comes from a nice family. I really feel as though they're trying to make her the scapegoat. They're trying to bully her into some type of a corner because she's doing her job. She's doing the job that a lot of state's attorneys around the nation need to do. They need to be taking notes from Marilyn Mosby. But right now, a lot of people are trying to jump off the bandwagon, so to speak. Now, initially, they were on her bandwagon. But a lot of people, even black people, are jumping off of her bandwagon, and siding with the police. Now, the latest person, this is not a black person that's doing this, but a law professor has filed a complaint against Marilyn Mosby. Now, a George Washington University law professor has said that Marilyn Mosby, over the investigation and prosecution of the 6 officers in the death of Freddie Gray, they're saying that, in this filing that happened on Wednesday, they're saying that, among other things, is 10-page complaint. Marilyn Mosby, in his opinion, has violated Maryland's rules of professional conduct for lawyers. Can you believe this? And it requires that a prosecutor refrain from prosecuting a charge unless it is supported by probable cause. Is this something new that's happened? What about all of the charges against people that have been filed that were not police officers? This didn't apply then. I'm talking about other states' attorneys that have done this. Why all of a sudden, because Marilyn Mosby is trying these 6 officers in the death of Freddie Gray? This is a citizen who died in police custody, injured before he could even get to the police station. How could, I don't even understand how someone could open their mouth, how someone could walk into a court, wherever you file these documents at, in the courthouse, and even open your mouth to say this. If you believe that the police officers are innocent, and there's some people who believe that, how they could believe he's innocent, how he died, I don't know, but let's just say that you believe that the police are innocent, right? Then they should be proven innocent. But you can't say that them filing these claims, filing these charges, it doesn't make sense to me. If Marilyn Mosby had not filed charges, if she did not come to a speedy decision in this matter, who knows what would have happened? And when I say speedy, what she did to me was the normal amount of time that it should take. Let's take an instance like Suge Knight. Suge Knight allegedly killed someone. They have it on videotape, right? He's still awaiting his trial. And this gentleman who was killed with the car has been dead for over a year. Oh, is that speedy? Is that how long it's supposed to take? Is it supposed to be a year and change before the people are brought to justice? No, that's not the way it's supposed to happen. But because these are police officers, these are supposed to be some special situations. If you remember, I live in Baltimore, obviously, but if you remember, the death of Freddie Gray and after his funeral sparked off protests and riots throughout this city. So there was a lot of pressure to get it done expeditiously, right? And I don't think that she pushed the gun and rushed it too fast. I mean, a gentleman was dead. We lost the life of someone, Freddie Gray. And someone has to be held accountable for this. One of the police officers who he was in their custody, to me, makes sense. But a lot of people seem to think that it's Marilyn Mosby's fault some kind of way. But 3 of the officers have been tried. 2 have been cleared of all charges. And people that are in support of the police think that Marilyn Mosby should drop the charges. I've even heard craziness like she should step down and resign from her position. There's a petition floating around to get her fired. All kind of craziness. In the end, this is about people thinking that the police are above the regular citizens. They're not. You know, I don't even really know too much more to say other than I commend Marilyn Mosby for the job that she's doing. You cannot win every case, but if she did not try this case, I think that her respect level and integrity would have gone down. So I want to commend her for the job that she's doing. And you win some, you lose some, but at least she is trying in her quest to get some justice here. And she's faced with a lot of obstacles. One obstacle is that she's black. One obstacle is that she's young. And the other obstacle is that she is a woman. But none of these should play a factor. She's doing a great job. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at The Diamond K Show. And as always, radioonfire.com. I'm here 7 days a week. New episodes drop 7 p.m. daily. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss an episode.